No. Yeah. Yes. Joining the group. Okay. Hey, you only left it. You only left it.
Welcome back, children. Please put on your videos. All of you. Now let us go to the next part. Round off the following numbers to the nearest thousands. Take a question now. How you are going to attempt these questions in the answer form. Round off the following numbers to the nearest thousands. To the nearest thousands. Question is 23,678. When such kind of questions are given, you people should know how to attempt the answers. In what manner you have to write the answer for it. You already know the answer, right? It is, yes, Samanyu, tell me the answer for it.
23,700.
See, you are rounding this to nearest thousands, Nana. You are rounding off this to nearest thousands. Try once again. Try once again.
24,000.
Very good. It's correct. It is 24,000, right, children? After you make ones, tens, hundreds, places as zeros, you have to check the number which is in the hundreds place. It's 6, right? 6 is greater than 4. Then what you have to do? You have to add 1 to the thousands place number. So how much you'll get here? 4. So the answer is 24,000. How you have to attempt the answer now? How you have to write the answer? 23,678 is rounded to 24,000. 23,678 is rounded to 24,000. In this manner, you have to write the answer. What all we have done before, that is the explanation part. For your understanding sake, I have given you like that. But whenever a question arises like this, you have to attempt the answers in this manner. let us go to the next problem. B bit. Question is 10,945. The question is 10,945. Huria is going to answer it. Round off this number 10,948 to its nearest thousand. Where are you, Huria? Try it. Put it on your book. Put the number on your book and try it. I suggest you people to use one rough book also always while attempting the answers. You once unmute yourself. I cannot able to do here. Huria, once try to unmute. Yes. Say that.
10,900.
Say it is regarding the question nearest to 1,000. It is nearest 1,000. You have to round it off to its nearest thousands. You have to round it off to its nearest thousands.
11,000.
Yes, it's 11,000. Ones, tens, and hundreds places zero. You have to check the. See, I'm taking the number again. Ones, tens, and hundreds places become 0. And if you check back the number which is in the hundreds place, it is greater than 4. So you have to add 1 in the thousands place. Got it? It's 11,000. Kritik, do you have any doubt? Kritik Raj, you raised your hand.
No, ma'am.
Answer it.
To answer it, ma'am.
Yes, Nana?
11,000.
11,000. Good. Very nice. So let us write down the answer now. $10,945 is rounded to 11,000. Rounding of numbers to its nearest tens, hundreds, and thousands got completed. Okay, let us spare 5 more minutes. I'll be asking you some questions now. No need of writing anything, children. I'll be asking you some questions. You people have to answer me. Okay, Sai Kartikeya, any doubt? Any doubt, Sai Kartikeya? Okay. After that, let us introduce to Roman numbers. Okay. Let us go to Roman numerals. Let me ask you some questions. Let us spare for 5 more minutes. Okay. Simply, I'm going to ask the questions. No need of writing anything. I hope you all have taken this problem, right? In your notebooks. Show your thumb whenever I'll be asking the question, all of you at a time. Then you just have to show your thumb. Okay. Okay. Let us go to the some questions now. No need of taking down this. Now I will be taking one 5-digit number. It's 10,348. You have to round off this number to its nearest 10. Vanilla is going to answer this. Right, Nana? You once unmute yourself. Yes, it's 10,348. You have to round off this number to its nearest 10.
10,000
Mm.
4 400
Why you are changing the hundreds place? You should not change the hundreds place as you are rounding off to its nearest tens.
358
Mm. Why you are
10,000 and
ah,
300
ah.
5 tens and 8.
Why you are putting 8 again? As we are rounding off, estimating the number here, you'll not get 8 again in the ones place.
0
Yeah, say again.
10,000 and
Ah,
348 340.
why 340 vanilla? See, look at the 48. Look at the number 48. Look at the number 48. It will be nearer to 40 or 50. Will it be near to 40 or 50?
50
50, right? Then the answer is how much? 10,350.
50.
Got it? Let me ask you one more question now. 9,212 is there. Round off this number to nearest 10 again.
Ma'am, 9,222.
You are confusing a lot. I think you are not listening to my explanation. When I was explaining you have not listened to me. Vanilla,
Ma'am, 9,022.
see, Nana, what I'm saying here, when you are going to round off a number, according to the nearest 10 or 100 or thousands, you will be placing zeros finally. I said, no, to the last places, you will be placing zeros, right? That thing you are not following. Okay, Sritan, tell me the answer. Unmute yourself. Unmute once.
9,210.
It's very correct. It is very much correct. It is 9,210. Very good, Sritan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let me ask you one more question. Who is going to answer?
Ma'am, you're asking one more question, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Sritan, mute yourself. Mute yourself.
నియరెస్ట్ 10 అడిగింది. నియరెస్ట్ 10 అన్నప్పుడు ఈ రెండు రౌండ్ చేసుకొని
Now, Yatin. Yatin.
Ma'am,
Round off this number to its nearest 10. 9,082. Nearest 10. It's 9,082. Yes, Yatin. It's got muted again. Your voice got muted again. Try to unmute it. Now tell me. It's 9,082. When you round off this number to its nearest 10, what is the number?
Ten, not hundreds, tens. Say the number. Right, correctly.
Look over the ones place number. Look over the ones place number. See, anyhow, the ones place number will be 0, right? 9,082 it is. Ones place number will become 0. and go back to the ones place digit and check whether that is less than 4 or greater than 4. It is less than 4, right? Then you have to remain place number as it is. No need of adding.
As it is.
As it is.
9.
Say to ma'am.
Yes.
Say, what is the number?
9,080.
80.
9,080.
Very good. It's 9,080. Shall I ask you one more question?
Show to your ma'am.
If 7,120, if you have to round off this to nearest 10, what is the answer? Round off this number to nearest 10. 7,120.
7,120.
Nearest
It is thousands place. Huh?
Tens place.
Tens.
round off the number to its nearest 10. Try it. All of you can try this number. Not only Yatin, everybody can try this number. You have to put your rough book in front of you, children. Always use rough book. Try to attempt this kind of problems in the rough notes. 7,123. Round off this number to its nearest 10. Simple thing you have to remember is this place should
Ma'am,
be, yes, tell.
ma'am, 7,120.
It's correct. 7,120. Very nice. Very good, Yatin. And let's mute yourself now. Indivar. Now I'll ask you one question. 6,024. You have to round off this number to its nearest 100. Okay, let us take 6,064. 6,064 I have taken. Round off this number to its nearest 100. Daily I'll be asking at least 5 members some kind of questions regarding the topic of that days. Okay, get ready, all of you. Today I'm going to cover few members. Tomorrow I'm going to cover another few members. Indivar, are you trying? What happened?
Ma'am, 6,060.
See here, the question, once you look over the question, I asked you to round off to nearest 100. Round off 6,064 to nearest 100. For rounding off a number to nearest 100, you have to make ones and tens places 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Ones and tens places 0. Going back to the next tens place for round. Whenever you choose rounding off nearest hundreds, you have to go back to the tens place number. What is there? 6, which is greater than 4. Then immediately you add 1 in the next place. So the answer is how much? 6,100. When you round off 6,064 to its nearest 100, the answer is 6,100. I hope that you all understood the concept. Thing is, you need a lot of practice. Today, regarding this rounding of numbers, you people try to practice after the classes finishes. Okay, after you complete the homework, take your practice book, keep in front of you, and try to practice all these rounding of numbers problems only based on nearest 100. Yes, Kritik, you are saying something.
Ma'am, for me, answer will tell.
Okay, I'll ask you
One more question.
you have to round off to nearest thousand. The question is 75,734.
Answer చెప్పు. 734 nearest 1000.
75,734.
76,000.
Very good. You have given an immediate answer. Very nice. Give big clap to you people, those who have given correct answers. The answer is 76,000. Here we are making ones, tens, and hundreds places zeros, and we are going back to the hundreds place number. It is 7, which is greater than 4. Then immediately you have to add 1 in the next place value. So you will be getting 76,000. Okay, it is enough for today, children. Let us go to the Roman numerals. Still more 5 or 8 minutes left over. Let us have an introduction part regarding Roman numerals. Tomorrow we will be going through the Roman numbers. Okay. See, here we are going to know about Roman numerals. Before we go to Roman numerals, we should know what do you mean by a numeral. Numeral means what, children? Numeral means a symbol to represent numbers. Okay, to represent some kind of symbols we are going to use. Actually, the numbers here we are going to use numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and go on till infinite. Numbers are there for us, right? We people use this kind of numbers, right? These numbers are called what? Hindu Arabic numbers. These are the symbols to represent our numbers. We people use this kind of numbers, and these numbers are called what? Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay, or Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, but whereas Romans used to use some other kind of symbols. Okay, Romans used to use some other kind of symbols to represent numbers, children. So how they used to use? Not symbols like stars or squares or circles, these kind of, not this kind of symbols. They used to use the alphabet letters only. In our alphabet we have some letters, right? Those letters they used to use as the basic symbols for representing numbers. Got it? As generally we used to use these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Those are called as Hindu Arabic numbers. But whereas Romans used to use some symbols as the basic symbols for representing numbers. Basic letters. What are those? We know that our alphabets are what? A, B, C, D, E, F till Z, you people know, right? All those letters you know. But from those letters, Roman used some basic 7 letters. Only 7 letters they have used as the basic symbols. 7 letters they have used as the basic symbols to represent numbers. What are those basic letters? What are those 7 letters they used to use? They are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. What are those? They used to use 7 letters as basic symbols to represent numbers. What are those? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Let us know the values of those so that we can represent them. We can use them for representing some more numbers also. Okay. In our Indian Hindu Arabic numerals, the value of this I is how much? 1. According to our Hindu Arabic numerals, the value of this I is how much? 1. V is how much? 5. X is how much? 10. L is 50. C is 100. D is 500. And M is 1000. These things, these values are necessary to remember first. Okay, these values you people remember, then later on we'll go to the further part, how to represent the other numbers also. Some more rules and regulations are there to utilize these symbols in the Roman system. Got it, children? Some rules we have to follow this. Let us have an explanation regarding those tomorrow. Okay, for today, you people, according to rounding of numbers, along with the rounding of numbers, you people practice these values also. Let us see how we are going to apply these numbers. Already you have learnt in the last year also, but some more rules have been applied. That thing also let us explain. Let us discuss tomorrow. Your homework part is, children, from textbook page 13, you have to do question 3 C2F bits, and Roman values you have to learn from the notebook. Let us see once again the basic symbols here. I value is how much according to our Hindu Arabic numeral system? 1. V value is how much? 5. X value is 10. L value is 50. C value is 100. D value is 500. M value is 1000. Let us see one more project also I am giving you people. With these letters to remember in a sequential manner. See, after I we are going to get V, right? And X, then L, then C, then D, then M. Based on those letters, you create one sentence. Try to frame one sentence to remember these in an order. Okay? Try to do like that so that you can remember those values very easily. I will also be preparing that one and I'll be showing you tomorrow. By that time, you people can learn these Roman values and also do today's homework part without any mistakes, and try to send me the pics. Most of you are not sending me the pics after doing the homework. Only few children are sending me. So our session ends today, children. Have a nice day. Try to prepare what all been taught today. Okay. Bye, children.